This is number 16 on the 1.7 worksheet, and this is one that, usually I would say clear the fractions in the first step, but in this one, because we've got this fraction inside of parentheses and we're taking the opposite of this entire sum, I think I would probably, on this case with this problem, I'm definitely going to distribute first on this side, and I might as well do it on the other side too. So then once I've done that, then I'll clear the fractions. So anyway, I have 1/5 times 3n, so that's going to be a 3n over 5 plus 1/5 times 5 is 1 equals the opposite of n over 2 and then the opposite of 10. Okay, so we're trying to solve for n, and n's in two places, but we can clear the fraction right now. So what I'll do is I'll look at the two denominators, the 5 and the 2, and with respect to those, then the lowest common denominator is 10, 5 times 2. So I'm going to multiply the left side by 10 and the right side by 10. And because I'm multiplying a sum here by 10 and a difference here by 10, I need to use distributive property. Make sure I distribute that 10, multiply every term by 10. So with this one, I get 10 divided by 5 is 2 times the numerator, so 2 times 3n or 6n, plus 10 times 1 equals 10 times negative n over 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 times negative n is negative 5n, and then 10 times negative 10 gets me 100. So this is one way you could do it. And so now I'll add 5n to both sides, so I'll get an 11n on the left, and I'll subtract 10 from both sides, so I'll have a negative 110 on the right. And then when I divide both sides by 11, I'll get n is equal to negative 10. So if I check that, 1/5 times, so 3 times negative 10 would be negative 30 plus 5 is equal to the opposite of negative 10 over 2 plus 10. So we get 1/5 of negative 25 on the left, which is negative 5. And here I'll get negative 5 plus 10 is 5, so negative 5. So it works.